Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with touchpad not working in Windows 11. So the first thing that you can do is just simply go to your start menu and search for device manager. Then just simply open the device manager. Over there you will find mice and other pointing devices. Just simply click on the drop box over here. Then just simply right click on your device and click on update drivers. Now select on browse my computer for drivers. Then just simply hit let me pick from a list. Now just simply select the particular mouse that you want to update or which is not working. Just simply select that particular mouse and hit next. Then after that just simply restart your computer and the issue should be fixed. So after updating the drivers, if you're still facing the issue, the next thing that you can do is just simply go to your start menu and search for troubleshoot. Then open troubleshoot settings. Now over here just simply click on other troubleshoots, then scroll down, and if you're using a wireless mouse just simply hit run over here, and if you're using a wired one just simply scroll down until you find keyboards and click on run over here as well. Then after hitting run, then if there is any problem it will fix it and it will start working. Now after the troubleshoot, the next thing that you can do is just simply go to your start menu and type cmd and run this as administrator. Now over here just simply write a command which is cfc, then space, then backslash, then scan now, and then just simply hit enter and wait for it to complete the process. And after the scanning is complete, just simply restart your computer and your issue should be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.